Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to do Pythagorean triples, which I have actually never heard of and is taught in Algebra 2. So this is not for my 7th graders, just so you know. This is for someone else. Okay, so what they're saying is that if you know X or Y or the triplets, and you use this formula, you can figure out what A, B, and C are. And we know the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So in a right triangle, the A and B are the legs of the triangle, the C is the hypotenuse. And so if I take the square of the measure of A and the square of the measure of B, I can find the square of the measure of the hypotenuse, or C. I'm going to do 1 and 4 first because I think they are the easiest to get to figure out, to kind of get to know and become fluid in the equation. So in 1, it says that X is 4 and Y is 3. It gives you X and Y, and it asks you, what are the triplets or the triples? So I go to this equation, okay, and now I'm at 1, all right, and the X is 4. The X is 4, so that's 4 squared minus 3 squared, plus 2 times 4 times 3 squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. I'm just substituting in the X and Y where it has an X and Y. So if I start solving it, I can say 16 minus 9 squared plus 2 times 4 is 8 times 3 is 24 squared. And that's going to equal 16 plus 9 squared. And I can go further. I can say 7 squared plus 24 squared equals 25 squared. That means that 7 is A, and 24 is B, and 25 is C. And I can prove that by squaring it. So if I square it, and I'm getting my calculator out because I'm not going to be able to do this in my head. Well, 7 I can. 7 squared is 49 plus, and I don't know what 24 squared is. It is 576, and that should equal, and I think that's 625, but let's see. It is 625, and that is true. So this A squared plus this B squared is going to equal that C squared. And these are the triples, okay? Well, actually, this is the proof. Yeah, scratch that out. These are the triples. So the triples are 7, 24, and 25, okay? Because I've substituted in the X and the Y in that equation they gave me. Okay, and so I figured out what those numbers would be. And then I proved that, here, just to be clear, this is my proof. I proved that it's right. Okay, so I'm going to do this again. Okay, let's look at 2. 2. Sorry. No. Okay. 4. I want to do the same thing. Where they give me the X and Y. Okay, so the X and Y, X is 7, Y is 5. So I look at the equation and I say, okay, X is 7, Y is 5. Okay, plus, that's squared. 2 times X times Y equals squared. 7 squared plus 5 squared. Okay, and these squares outside the parentheses only refer to the fact that this is a squared, b squared, c squared. So I'm trying to find a, b, and c. So this is going to be 49 minus, let's see, 49 minus 25. 49 minus 25, which is 24. Doesn't seem right. 49 minus 25, yep, is 24 squared. And this is 14 times 5. 14 times 5, and that's going to be 70. And 49 plus 25 is going to be 74. So if this works, if I'm right, then these should add up. This should be A, this should be B, and if I add them together, I should get C. So let's see. I have 24 squared, and I know that. I have that up there, 576, plus 70 square would be 4,900, and 74 squared is going to be 5,476. And if I add them together, I'm awesome. I am terrifically awesome. I love this. I love this. I love this puzzle. Now, over on the side, so wait. So let me put this in here. So that makes this 24, okay, 70, and 74. So those are the two that are the most straightforward. Now, let's look at 2. Okay, so I'm going to look at 2. So this one's going to be a little bit different. So I know what the 5 is. I know what the 5 is, and I mean, I know what the x is, it's 5, but I don't know what the y is. So I'm going to take the equation apart up there. So a squared equals x squared minus y squared, right, squared. So that this is the a, all right? B squared is equal to 2 times x times y, okay? And c squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, okay? So that I know that I can find, if I do x squared plus y squared, I'm going to get the c. If I multiply 2 times x times y, I'm going to get the b. If I take x squared minus y squared, I'm going to get the a. Now, the other hint they give me is that a is 9. So that means that x squared minus y squared equals 9. And they give me the x, so that's 25 minus y squared equals 9. Okay, I don't know what the y is, but I know that that's true. The b is 40. So I know that 2 times the x, which is 5, times the y is going to equal 40. And I know down here that the x squared plus y squared is going to equal 41, because that's my third triple. Okay, I know that that's 25. So 25 plus y squared equals 41. So now I go back and I say, what do I need here? Here I need 16, because 25 minus 16 is 4. Here I need 4. Here I need 16. So if y is 4, go back and check, is 4 squared 16? Yes, it is. So y equals 4. See if you can do it with number 3.